All right, here we go. Did you get your check from Transunion? Did you get your check from Transunion? Here's a copy of a check from a customer from Transunion from the lawsuit that was initiated back December 15th, 2026 to January 31st, 2025. This was initiated, this lawsuit, back in 2020, August 14th, 2020. Now, you might be saying, well, Steve, should I get a check? Everybody should get a check if you were disputing any negative information on your credit report. Why is that so important? Because TransUnion, without admitting, was in violation of the Fair Credit Reporting Act 15 USC 1681 of the FCRA, TransUnion violations against TransUnion, based on the claim that TransUnion did not conduct reasonable investigation of disputed hard inquiries and credit information when people sent in letters to dispute negative information on their credit reports. What TransUnion did, and this scared away a lot of people from even wanting to continue with their credit repair process. I won't say a lot. I'm not gonna lie to you. Some people, they would get that letter, so the disputes would go out. They would get that letter and say, "Oh, we applaud you for trying to repair your credit, but it looks like you didn't create this letter. It looks like a third party did it." If someone was to tell me it looks like someone else did it, are they insinuating that you're not smart enough to have created that dispute letter that could get that information removed off your reports? Boy, they got a problem with that, because I know that you're smart. So what ended up happening is that they just would send out that automatic letter. In some instances, this is what would happen with some of our clients, is that they would still do the investigation. They were just doing it automatically with those auto letters, and it would scare people from trying to work on their credit. Why is there so many people and news reports and all types of stuff trying to scare people from repairing their credit? Why are they trying to tell people it's something that you just should not worry about, even though they run credit for everything? But why? So what they did, you want to take my words on it, the lawsuit was Norman V. versus TransUnion LLC. Case number 218 CV 05225 GAME. On August 14, 2020, the court decided to go forward with the class action lawsuit, and this is what the result of that is. Right here, you should be getting a check if you did any type of disputing with TransUnion. You didn't even have to do it. If a credit repair company even did it for you, you will be getting a check. Do me a favor, like this video so everybody can be alerted that they should be getting a check. Again, do me a favor, like this video, because people should be getting a check if they were disputing information on their credit reports to TransUnion during the time period of December 5th, 2016 to January 31st of 2025. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website, your3scores.com. Links are below this video. Come on, everybody. Don't let them stop you from repairing your credit so you can move forward with your life financially. Put that foundation under you. Don't be under that rocky earthquake type foundation. Have a solid foundation. If you have debt collectors who are trying to come after you with a letter, go to summonsmaster.com, where you can upload that debt collection letter and get an exclusive certified debt validation letter to stop them early. Or if they're already suing you in court, go to summonsmaster.com to get a fully formatted response to every allegation and defense to help you win your case. If you already have a default judgment, go to Summons Master, contact us in there. We can help you get that case reopened. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to the channel. Post your questions and comments to Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.